Hello friend, today we will cover input dialog, assign and message box activities. So first let me create process. Okay, day 1. Now our process has been created. So let me first create on project. So in the project we have main.xml file. Let me double click on this. Okay, again let me create on activities tab. Now this is our main window. So on the left side we have activities section, on the right side we have property section. So first let me drag and drop input dialog. Okay, so in the main page we have three sections: variable, argument, import. So today we will cover a variable and input dialog. So input dialog we have dialog title section. So in this just add double quote and the double quote like so. It input dialog is a just kind of a dialog window. Okay, so as a title we are just assigning username, input level please enter username, input type. Here we have option text box, multiple choice. So here I am selecting text box. So like value entered. Okay, here so input dialog means we are getting input from the users. So in this case we have to store value somewhere. So for storing the value we have to create a variable. So there is a shortcut key, control K, username. Okay, as you can see in the variable section, let me just click on sequence. So like as you can see, name is username, variable type is string, scope is sequence. Means this variable will be available only in this sequence. We can't access outside this sequence. Okay, so now the second thing we are going to use message box activity. Just let me drag and drop this activity below the input dialog. Okay, now we have okay, just look in the advanced editor. So here we can pass any value in double quote like welcome to first UI part 2. Okay, just let me run this first. It's taking a bit time here. We are running it first time. So okay, as you can see in the top we have title, username, as you can see here, and in the mid like below this username we have label. As we have entered, please enter username. So I'm entering username so hit, and here we have option click OK. Next we head in. Okay, as you can see like welcome to first UI tutorial. This is the message box. Now okay, we have assigned value to the username. Now you want to see the value, so we can do one thing, just remove all the things, just type the variable like username. Okay, click OK, debug file. Okay, testing. See, now we have variable value testing in a message box. Okay, so the third thing is assign activities. Just drag and drop it here. So in the assign, we just want to append some value in a variable. So like in the assign, in the left side, we have to pass variable name. Okay, now we just want to update the value of variable. Then we can do one thing. This is my first year iPad. Yeah, okay. So I just noticed the thing. Before it, I'm just using message box. In the message box, I'm just username. Okay, let me run this. Okay, enter your name. I'm entering like Sumit Sharma in the message box. After that, we have a message box. As you can see in the message box, we have Sumit Sharma. Just notice after message box, we have a assigned activity. So in the assigned activity, we have assigned something different. So as you can see, hi, this is my first UiPath tutorial. So the variable value has been override. Okay, so in the assign only we can assign the value to a variable. So today we have covered 3 activities: input dialog, message box, and assign. So in the input dialog, we take input from the user and hold it in the variable. In the message box, we just display the content. And